Let's be honest, if you're broke right now, it's probably not because of bad luck. It's because of 5 simple habits you repeat every single day without even noticing. And the crazy part? Break just one of them, and your bank account could look completely different next month. Habit number 1, rewarding yourself too early. You finish a hard week and boom. Coffee, takeout, maybe new shoes. You tell yourself, I deserve it. But here's the truth. You're rewarding spending, not progress. That's how most people stay stuck. They celebrate with their money instead of letting it grow. Habit number 2, the invisible money leak. It's not one big expense that's killing you, it's 10 small ones you've forgotten about. Spotify, Netflix, Adobe, that gym you swear you'll go to, they quietly drain you every month. It's like having holes in your wallet and wondering why it never fills up. Habit number 3, copying your broke friends. If your friends eat out every day, buy €300 sneakers, or upgrade phones every year and you follow them, congrats. You're just as broke, only with matching outfits. You can't flex your way to wealth. They might look rich on Instagram, but in real life, they're just good at hiding overdrafts. Habit 4, waiting for the right time. The truth? There is no right time. There's just time, and you're wasting it. People think they'll start saving or investing once they make more money. But if you can't manage €500, you won't magically manage €5,000. Discipline comes first. Money follows. Habit 5, trading all your time for cash. If your income stops the moment you stop working, you're trapped. That's not freedom. That's survival. Use part of your income to build something that pays you while you sleep. A skill, a small business, or an investment. Anything that earns when you don't. If you saw yourself in one of these habits, good. That means you're self-aware, and that's where change starts. Start fixing one at a time, and you'll already be ahead of 90% of people your age financially. Thanks for watching till the end. If you're serious about improving your finances, hit subscribe. The next video might literally change how you see money. I'll see you there.